Now let me explain page 221. So here we already diluted the E. coli broth in the first bottle A, which is 10 to the minus 2 dilution, and we further diluted that 10 to the minus 2 another 100-fold to a bottle B, which is 10 to the minus 4. Now we're ready to plate it out. If we take 1 milliliter from this bottle and put it on the plate, that plated dilution is 10 to the minus 4. How is that so? This is your 10 to the minus 4. It is 10 to the minus 4 because it came from a 10 to the minus 4 bottle. So you're going to look at what is the dilution of the bottle. The bottle dilution is 10 to the minus 4. And then we plated out, okay, a volume of 1 milliliter. So you multiply that by 1. So 10 to the minus 4 times 1 is equal to 10 to the minus 4. So that is the dilution on the plate. Now if we take a tenth of that volume, let's say we're going to take 0.1 milliliter and put it on a plate, now this plated dilution becomes a 10 to the minus 5. Okay, why is that so? It's because we're coming from a 10 to the minus 4 bottle, and we're going to plate out 0.1 milliliters, which is also equal to 10 to the minus 1. So you have a 10 to the minus 5 plate. We get that because we started with a 10 to the minus 4 bottle, and we plated out 0.1, which is equivalent to 10 to the minus 1. And again, if we have two exponents that we're multiplying, we're going to add the exponents, and this becomes a 10 to the minus 5. From 10 to the minus 4 plus 10 to the minus 1, you add the minus 4 and minus 1, you get a minus 5. So that's why the plated dilution here is 10 to the minus 5.